name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is the first official fall video on my channel. If you guys know me or anything about me, fall is my absolute favorite season. I feel like that's a lot of people's favorite season. Comment down below what your favorite season is. I just love the cold crispiness and like it's not officially hot out. I mean, not officially cold out just yet. So hopefully you guys are disappointed that I'm starting now. But you know what? Starbucks put out their PSL and their pumpkin drink, so that means I can put out my fall videos. So yeah, for today's video, we're gonna be prepping for fall. I felt like it would be exciting to just kind of bring you guys along with the whole like fall process. Like literally, we just started prepping over the weekend, my husband and I. So we went shopping. We're gonna take you guys shopping with us. We tried that new pumpkin drink at Starbucks, the cold brew one. We did some cleaning, like it's everything fall related. So if you guys end up enjoying it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss any of my upcoming fall videos, because I'm telling you guys, I have a ton of exciting, amazing fall videos planned out. Also follow me on Instagram because I will be posting a ton of fall outfits. I always post my outfits and stuff on my stories. So yeah, go follow me there. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, and let's start. Okay, I just got home from the gym. I'm sweaty and gross, so I figured why not clean up right now. Okay, living room is tidied up. I'm gonna move on to the kitchen, which is where I'll actually wipe everything down. I just wanna make sure everything's clean before I bring in new fall goodies. I do have a ton in the garage, but I do wanna get a few new things. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for all that. Just a bunch of fall fun stuff. That's a great dance, babe. Yeah. So I'm showered and ready. This is as fall as I'm gonna get today because it's still kind of warm outside. But I've worn this sweater a few times. Just the cutest like pink wrap like sweater top. So you can actually tie it a few different ways. I did just throw up my hair up in a half pony because it's really dirty, because you guys saw I went to the gym this morning and it was sweaty and gross, but I don't like to wash my hair every single day, so that's what I did. Oh, my eyes, look at that. I totally went with the fall vibes. I did like these orangey kind of smoky gold look. Let me flip it over. There, you can see the eyes right here. I used the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions. It's the small little palette. It's like this big. So yeah, the sweater top is from Princess Polly, and then these jeans are from Urban. I will link them down below because these are some of my favorites. I always go back to them. They're just so good. And I do have mine in a size 27. I like them like nice and snug. It took me like 2 times to like break them in, but now they're just always so comfy. They're super flexible, but they still keep their shape. So they're still gonna like suck you in. So I love these. And then the boots are from ASOS. I will link them below. Also, I'm obsessed with them. They were super affordable and they are really comfy. So this is as fall as we're gonna get. And then yeah, oh, let me show you guys, okay, around. So I cleaned everything. It's all pretty good. I'm gonna show you guys what I kind of wanna do. So right here, I know I wanna remove these 2 little floral things that I put in here, and I wanna put something fall related. I saw a bunch of stuff at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, so I'm not sure, maybe we'll go to Hobby Lobby. Yeah, because they have a ton of florals there. And then up here, I wanna move this one, this little white peony vase, and put something fall. Maybe, oh, a few pillows. I do have so much stuff from last year, so I need to take that stuff out and kind of, you know, mix and match. And fall stuff is gonna look so good. And then, yeah, maybe something on here in the entryway. It's still a little bit of a mess here, but, oh yeah, this one. I wanna remove these florals also and add fall florals. And then, yeah, we're gonna get all festive and fall ready. Let me show you guys really quickly the pumpkin sauce that I've been using. I am gonna go to Starbucks. Well, me and Weston are gonna go to Starbucks right now and try out the new pumpkin spice cold brew that they have. But at home, I always use this one. It's 0 sugar, 0 calories. It's just so much better. And then I use it with some sort of like non-dairy milk. Right now, I've been really into the macadamia milk or oat milk. So That's pretty much it. Oh, and I always get so many questions about my machine. I will link it down below. It's an espresso, and yeah, it makes an espresso. So I basically make lattes. You can put milk in here and it'll froth it up and you can make a hot drink. So yeah, that's the whole overview of what I want to do. And yeah, we can go shopping now. I don't know what color scheme I want to do. I think I have a lot of dusty blues and stuff at home. But I kind of want something brighter now that we have so much space, right?
Yeah, and I think
I should do like a few oranges.
Yeah, with our whites and blacks, they'll stand out. And golds and stuff like that.
Yeah, but the problem is I have so much of dusty blue stuff. So
I don't know what that means. You should dust them then. If they're dusty, you should clean them. I don't know what dusty blue is.
Like this color kind of like, well actually, like this kind of, I have stuff like, a lot of stuff like this color.
Oh, that's dusty blue?
Well, this one's more of a blue. But like stuff like this family.
Yeah, you're making total sense. This is a blue, dusty blue.
Hey, is it cute?
How much is that gonna cost? Here we go again. This is my annual year of like, I can find this in the backyard and get you this for free.
Ooh, this is so pretty. I wonder where Weston went. You look so creepy behind there. Oh.
You can see me?
No, I mean, no. You're definitely not there. So you found another purpose for it, huh?
Witch's brew.
Oh, yeah? This is what happens when I bring him. I can't freaking focus and try to actually find what I'm looking for. Instead, he's doing this.
I don't know anything about decor. I have no help.
Instead, you found a witch's brew.
I need to entertain myself.
Okay. We were on the wrong side.
The whole time.
The whole time. This is kind of the vibe I'm going for. Like, kind of like bushy. You know, not like real flowers.
I call it bushy yet itchy. It's like itchy vibes.
Look at it, this is cute.
Yeah, it looks like
we're outside.
Yeah, like, and if you walked in it, you'd get itchy and get thorns in your socks. People know what I'm talking about. People know what I'm talking about.
We got the goods. We found all them. There's a lot of stuff. But this should do the with florals, right? It's gonna look so fall.
It's gonna look like I threw up fall in the house. I get it. Arlyne.
Huh?
Do you accept this rose? Do you accept the rose?
Yes, I do. I will. I would love to.
Thank you. Decisions.
Or even like a cute little squirrel. Is he cute?
Yeah.
Isn't he cute?
He sits on the island and watches us eat.
Right? Isn't it cute? You guys, I found my garland from last year.
And she's hiding behind boxes right now.
I put it on my table. There's boxes right here. I think it's time to upgrade. I got this one because it was like the cheaper one. It was $40. And the other ones are like $70 with 40% off. It's time to upgrade, huh, babe?
Time to upgrade. What are we upgrading to, though? That's the real question.
Like, I like this one right here. With the golds and stuff.
Dang, that thing's
70. This is so cute. I'm getting excited. Oh, I know where we can find stuff like that. Home Goods.
Amazon. Oh, sorry.
That's right. I have something like this from Home Goods from like 2 years ago. But it's like blue. I don't want that. I want
does
that
fall
one.
go out of style, babe?
No, it doesn't. I want that one. I want that one. I want that one.
Alright, whatever you want.
Are you buying it for me?
Yes.
Are you my sugar daddy?
Yep.
Oh, thanks, babe. This is cute. Look, it matches everything we have in there. That's the color of this year. We're actually going for the golds, coppers, silvers. That's it. We decided.
There we go. It's decided.
And some burnt oranges. Too.
Everyone already heard the color of the year. Get your burnt oranges. Everyone burn your oranges. Burn them up.
I used to always just do like super neutral. This year we're going
burnt
fall for
oranges.
Real. We're going fall for real, babe.
We're gonna fall for fall.
Oh, a wreath. Oh, should we get it at Home Goods or here? You know, last year, babe, we never put it outside. Because we used to have like this gate in front of it, so we actually put it on the inside of the house.
Yeah, now we can put it outside.
Put it on the outside. $140. We're going to Home Goods.
We're out of here. We're out of here. We're out of here.
This is what I want. It's only $20.
I can stand on mountain. You lift me up
when I am on your shoulder. You raise me up. Looks like you got yourself some good stuff there, huh?
Yeah, I'm pro at decorating for fall. And
You're pro? See, I got this guy here. I ended up going with this guy.
You know nothing about fall decor.
So it's all you, huh?
See,
Yeah.
I'm going with the old natural itchy vibes.
Yeah.
So when you look at it, you feel itchy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that's kind of the vibe you get for sure.
Because that's what fall's about. Feeling itchy.
Okay. Thank you for the tip, sir. All right, you guys, for the fun part, we waited until 3 p.m. because it was happy hour today.
So buy one, get one free.
But it's our first time trying this, the pumpkin cream cold brew. I got mine with sugar-free vanilla. He got the regular one, so I guess we'll try both.
All right, ready? Regular? Cheers.
Do we need to mix it more though?
Para and
Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa centro, pa dentro.
That's pretty delicious.
I'm having trouble getting to the coffee though. You're just
I got to the coffee.
You're drinking the cream, but
No,
that's
I got the
freaking
coffee.
bomb dig.
That's really good.
I mean, when is like a cream not
Holy
good?
cow, that's really good.
We need to mix it somehow, babe.
Oh, use the princess key.
Yes. Okay, let's mix it. Oh
Working?
yeah.
Yeah.
With my niece's princess key. This is not something that we would eat every day or drink every day. I mean,
Speak for yourself.
babe.
This is so good. I'll drink this every day.
Yeah, you know what? The cream that it's made with, guarantee, is loaded with sugar.
Who cares?
I care.
Much
That
better?
is so good. This is so good, but it's because it's sweeter than the pumpkin spice latte.
This is delicious.
And this is with sugar-free vanilla.
Napkin, please.
I kind of want to try yours and see the difference between mine and yours. His is the regular way, mine's on the sugar-free vanilla.
I'm gonna try yours. That is so good.
I like mine.
I don't like yours.
You don't?
No, I like this one.
I like this better. This is good. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Usually you don't like
really
pumpkin
good.
stuff.
Yeah.
Looks like the wreath options are a little limited, and this is the same exact one that I have from a year or two ago. They still have the same one. I mean, I just wanted something that goes with the whole indoor vibe.
Yeah, and the burnt oranges.
Yeah, the burnt oranges.
Let's
Or
burn
like,
those oranges.
Wait, there's some behind hiding. Ooh, I like that one. See, look, maybe when you move stuff around, you find the hidden gems.
Blessed to be stressed. Babe, is it wine Wednesday yet? Mama needs her wine.
Okay.
Cheers.
All right, so we're back home from Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. I didn't intend for this video to be a haul, but I went a little crazier than I anticipated. I got a ton of florals like you guys saw. All of the florals are from Hobby Lobby, and then I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I ended up getting from Home Goods, because I got a few things that are just so stinking cute. I got these little kitchen towels. I have some from last year, but they have a lot more blue. This one I feel like is pretty universal, and they're gray with like cute little pumpkins. So I can put this up now. I did end up getting a wreath for the door, and it goes with the vibes of like the actual like kind of burnt oranges, like natural woodsy kind of colors. Okay, this is one of my other favorite things. How cute is this? What does it say? Apple cider donuts, 25 cents. And I think does it open up it? Oh, it does open up. It was too cute to pass up, and it was only $40. I thought it was gonna be a lot more. I thought it was gonna be like 80 for like how legit and how cute this is. I also got this little wooden pumpkin. It says Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. I thought it was a little cheesy, but then at the same time, I am obsessed with pumpkin spice, so I'm gonna put this over by our Nespresso machine. And then, I'm not sure if I showed you guys this one. This little pumpkin that I found in store. I actually really like how like narrow and slim it is. That way it won't take up that much counter space, but it's still like a super cute orangey marble look. So grab that, and I think that's everything from Home Goods, right? The other thing, I did end up getting a little squirrel from Hobby Lobby, and then the garland and everything else I showed you guys already. So let's go decorate. Okay, so it fluffs out a lot. I actually really like it though. Okie dokie, the time for the switch. Moving the spring one to this one. Ooh, that looks cute.
All right, shut the door. Shut the door. Let's see what
That's
people.
for sure. Like, hi, it's fall. We're ready for fall.
Let's see what people are gonna say when they come
All
up.
right.
Alright, I'll pretend. Wow, it sure is fall around here. Alright, sure is fall. Hi!
Hi, welcome to my home.
Oh my gosh, it's
this is
so
fall right
fall.
here too. Okay, that's what that one looks like. It's not gonna go there. I need to find a place for it. Okay, so that's everything for this prepping for fall video. Shop with me. Everything fall related, just to like kick off the fall season. If you guys enjoyed it, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. It's super helpful. Also subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Do not forget to turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram, like I said. That's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.